Assalamualaikum po and good day, ma'am. I'm Abdel Muisich Abdul from BSN 2B. Now I'll be tackling the volleyball timeline. First is we have the founder of the volleyball, which is William G. Morgan. William G. Morgan is an American physical education instructor, born in 1870 in the USA. Also, Morgan invented the game volleyball, which is less physically demanding than basketball. Basketball is created by his colleague named James Smith or James Naismith. The next is I'll be tackling the original name of volleyball. The original name of volleyball is called Mintonet. Mintonet introduced in 1895 by Morgan. The name was inspired by the game badminton, as both the games involve volleying an object over a net. So he renamed it in 1896 to volleyball because an observer named Alfred T. Halstead noticed that players were volleying the ball back and forth. So Halstead suggests to rename it volleyball, which was immediately adopted. Then next is I'll be tackling how does volleyball came into Philippines. So volleyball was introduced in the Philippines in 1910 by American teachers and YMCA missionaries during the American colonial period. So it is introduced in American colonial period in 1910. The sport was first played in schools and community programs that quickly gained popularity. Filipino players developed the set and spike technique, locally known as bomba or Filipino bomb. Then next is I'll be tackling about the FIVB and the PBB. FIVB stands for Federation International de Volleyball. The FIVB is the international governing body for volleyball. It is founded in 1947 in Paris. The purpose is to standardize rules, organize international competitions, and also promote sport globally. And next is the PVB. PVB, also known as Philippine Volleyball Federation. The PVB is the national governing body for volleyball in the Philippines. It is established in 2021 and recognized by the Philippines or by the Philippine Olympic Committee. The roles is to oversee national teams and develop grassroots and professional volleyball players. Represents the Philippines in international competition. That's all po. Thank you.